Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine having the power to cook, bake, and air fry all in one device, with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me introduce you to the Gourmia Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer. And trust me, it's a game changer. First off, let's talk about the 12 preset functions that come with this amazing device. With a single tap, you can air fry, bake, roast, toast, and even make popcorn, all with ease and precision. The preset functions are designed to make your life easier, allowing you to cook a wide variety of dishes without having to manually adjust the settings. Whether you're in the mood for some crispy fries or a juicy roast chicken, the Gourmia Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer has got you covered. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those who are new to cooking. Simply select the preset function, set the timer, and let the device do the rest. Now, let's talk about the FryForce 360 degrees technology, which is truly the star of the show. This innovative technology uses rapid airflow to circulate heat and cook your food to perfection using little to no oil. The result is golden, crunchy food that's not only delicious but also healthier. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt of consuming excessive oil. The FryForce 360 degrees technology makes it all possible, and the best part is that it's incredibly easy to clean and maintain. The air fry basket and other accessories are dishwasher safe, making the entire cooking process a breeze. Another feature that really stands out is the large capacity with 3 rack positions. This device can fit a 9-inch pizza for slices of bread or even stacked batches of food, making it perfect for families or those who like to cook in bulk. The adjustable rack levels allow you to customize the cooking space to suit your needs, and the included accessories such as the oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray make it easy to cook, bake, and air fry a wide variety of dishes. Whether you're cooking for one or for a crowd, the Gourmia Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer has the capacity to handle it all. The convection mode is another feature that's worth mentioning. It promotes even heat distribution, resulting in quicker and more consistent cooking. This means that your food will be cooked to perfection every time, without any hot spots or undercooked areas. The convection mode is perfect for cooking large meals, such as roasts or casseroles, and it's also great for baking bread or cooking vegetables. The even heat distribution ensures that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly, making it a breeze to achieve professional-like results in the comfort of your own home. In conclusion, the Gourmia Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer is an incredible device that's sure to revolutionize the way you cook. With its 12 preset functions, FryForce 360 degrees technology, large capacity, and convection mode, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this device is sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Gourmia Toaster Oven Digital Air Fryer and start cooking like a pro today. Trust me, you won't regret it.